we are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and related names, including biblical names too, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So this is a French name, as she was a French Catholic. How do you say it? In France it is said as Sainte Thérèse, Thérèse being French for Thérèse Lisieux. Lisieux is how it is said in French with a silent X. So Sainte Thérèse de Lisieux. Sainte Thérèse de Lisieux. It'd be fine in English to say it as Sainte Thérèse de Lisieux. Sainte Thérèse de Lisieux or of Lisieux. Thérèse of Lisieux. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.